Hey, welcome to Hunter Merrifield's Behind the Scenes. I'm Travis Malby, Deputy Garrison Commander. I'm joined by Brad, the head golf pro, and Mike, our golf superintendent. We're going to take a look on behind the scenes at Hunter Merrifield Golf Course and see what they do on a day-to-day basis. You guys ready to take us for a tour?
Yep.
All right, let's go. All right, hey, so we're down here in the maintenance shop with Mike. Take us around, show us a little bit of the equipment you got here on hand.
All right, we'll start over here. These are probably the pieces of equipment we use the most. These are our triplex greens mowers, riding greens mowers. Okay. We got 3 of them here set up. Each is set up differently. If you can look down at the reels, and we call them reels, that's our cutting unit. That's the cutting head. Okay. It's more of an old school type. It's a reel, not what you're used to at your house, which is a rotary mower.
Right. How long does it take to usually run the 18-hole course and cut the greens?
Cut the greens, you can do it in less than 3 hours on this machine. We have 2.5 acres worth of greens space, so under 2 hours, usually about 2.5, and you're good to go.
Okay.
And then right beside you, we have rollers. Okay. These are heavy rollers. Each one of these, it weighs probably at least 100 pounds, maybe more. And we have the option to add more weight if we wanted to. If we don't want to mow that day, we send a roller out, knocks the dew off, creates a smooth rolling surface, helps with green speeds, stuff like that.
All right. Now we got more of a larger item. What's this looking?
This is a top dresser. Periodically, we will add a really thin layer of sand to the surface of the greens, creating a firmer playing surface, drainage on the greens, get a bigger pore space within the subsurface and not down in the soil. We won't sand in the soil. If not, it helps get air into the soil, where if you didn't have sand in the soil and it was mostly, organic matter and your natural soils, you're going to hold a lot more water.
And we don't want to do that. Use any sand, or you use a particular sand?
This is a particular sand. This is what we call M55. It's a really fine sand, and it's very uniform, as you can see.
All right, Mike, so thanks for talking to us about the equipment. Now let's go talk about what everybody wants to see as well. Let's go talk about how we grow the grass on the actual surface.
All right, we're here at hole number 1 at Hunter Golf Club. This is a par 5. And you can see we got a lot of sand down. Normally we don't look like this. Normally it's just green grass spread across the whole green, but you can see a lot of sand on top. And that's because we airified. And you can, if you look close, you can see holes here. There's a couple. You can see a couple of them that have been covered up. But usually on 2-inch spacings, we got holes covering this whole green. And like I said, you can't see them because we've top dressed and the sand's meant to cover it up and fill the holes in, which is good. We do this twice a year. This is Tiffworth Bermuda grass. That's what we have on our greens. It's an older strain of hybrid Bermuda grass, but it's a good strain.
Can we take a look at some of the soil underneath there? The one we got under as a base?
Sure.
Well, Mike, thanks for showing us a little bit about what you do on your side of the house with all the maintenance, from the equipment to maintaining the turf out here on the facility, and a little bit of inside what it looks like with our probes. This is fantastic for the viewers. Now we're going to head to the golf shop and see about some of the services that we offer here at Hunter Merrifield. All right, let's take a look. Joined by Brad, our PGA golf professional and manager at Hunter Golf Course in Fort Stewart. We've got the driving range in the background. And tell us a little bit, Brad, about some of the services that we offer.
Here at Hunter and at Stewart, we offer anything golf, basically. You have a group of 4, 8, 12, 20, 100. We'll run your event for you if you'd like to put something together. We have a great pavilion here that'll hold over 100, so we can do your awards afterwards. We also offer lessons or clinics. You do that by appointment, but we can run your tournament or event. And we also have a fully stocked golf shop inside with some Hunter apparel, and we have all the top brands as far as equipment, balls, and gloves. Thank you. Come out and see us.
That's fantastic. Hey, so everybody, thanks for joining us today at Hunter Golf Course's Behind the Scenes Tour. So we hope you come out, whether you're a first-time golfer, an avid golfer, or you just come and look out to get something to eat, hit a bucket of balls, or hit the putting green for lunch. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you soon.